Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add an emergency contact to the KLM application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the account button down below, which is the fourth icon or option. Then click on emergency contacts down below, tap on the plus icon in the right side corner, and then add the email address of that person. And after that you should type in their phone number, then their first name should be added and their last name too. Click on the save button down below, and here you will be able to find the contact. You can remove it anytime by tapping on the remove button and click on remove, and it will be removed from your contacts, but you can add as many as you would like to. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.